All right guys, today we're back. We're putting some deck boards on and I wanted to show you our layout. This is about a 40-foot span this whole way if you want to show them real quick, Jared. So we're doing 3 sections of about 14-ish feet right in there. So what you do is you bring all your boards in the center here. We're gonna have a board that goes the opposite way, this way. It's challenging to get a really nice cut or to put all of these up against each other as you go. So we've put all these boards close like this together, and then after we mark our lines, we get the track saw, which, not that I have any doubt in my circular saw ability, but this will give us a perfect cut every time. You get this lined up, and then we'll slide this board in there. So I'm talking about it like it's easy, so let's see if we can do it. So we're just checking our measurement as we get started on this. We want to be at right about 5.5 inch. That's how wide this board's going to be. So far, we're right on it. It'll be a nice tight fit. Let's keep it going. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how we did. We might be good, we might be tight. Like a glove. Oh yeah. Let's see that line there, Jared. See how we did. Pretty tight fit. That's how it's done. Thank you, Clay Train.